So now if your Admob account is already set up, I have my private information blocked out, so you can't see my apps, you can't see my publisher ID, that sort of stuff. But you want to go under monetize, and then we want to go to all apps. So let's click all apps, and now we want to monetize a new app. So we'll click this button, and now we're going to allows you to search for your app or add an app manually. So let's add an app manually, and our title of our app was just Level Up Tuts, so we'll call it Level Up Tuts. Select platform as Android, continue. Now let's select banner as ad type, and that's fine. And refresh rate can refresh every 60 seconds. Standard banner is fine with me, and we'll just call this banner ad. Perfect. Save it. Okay, cool. So now it's given me a unit ID, which actually includes my publisher ID as well. So that's the way that when people click on this ad, it knows who the publisher is and what the ad is and who to pay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this unit ID, and I'm going to paste it in my app. So I'm going to click done. Our unit ID can be pasted in here, and that's all good. And we just need to add some more ad specific things. So we're going to type ads, colon, and then ad size equals, and then in all caps, banner, and then now ads test devices. And so what this is going to do is basically say, hey, the test emulator, or type test emulator in here, all caps, with an underscore. You could also have a comma and then an ID for your actual device if you're testing on a device. That way it doesn't falsely add clicks, and fraudulent clicks can get you kicked off of AdSense, so do not, or Admob. So don't fraudulently click your app trying to make money, because you're not going to make any money. So let's do ads, colon, load, ad on, create equals equals true. Okay, so we want to load this ad on create, and of course we need to close out our XML element here with a /. And there's one more thing we'll need to do. You'll notice we're getting this red X here, and that's because we need this line up in here in our relative layout. And in our relative layout here, we're going to add, I'm just going to add this right under this tools, and it's going to be XMLNS colon ads equals, and then we're going to add in this URL here. Again, you can get this specific information on the Admob SDK page. I will, of course, paste that into the comments so you can have that information. But you can see this address here. It's not worth really typing out. You might mess it up. So we're just about there. We just want this ad to display, right? So in the next video, we're going to make it look nice and have it be at the bottom of the page and everything like that. But for right now, we just want to get it displaying. So what we need to do is adjust this height. Right now, our button is going to take up the entire screen with fill parent. So let's just say this is like 100 dp or something. And keep in mind, like I said, this is just for right now. Also, we need to specify where this is going to show up in the relative layout, so we can say Android, and this can be where it appears after, so it'll be layout below, and then we can just say it's going to be below the button number 1. So we can just say plus ID button 1, save this, and now if we run this app, we should see our ad. So I'm going to run this in our emulator, and the ad should show up. Keep in mind, like I said, it's not going to be pinned at the bottom. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to show up. So we can see our app starts up here, and while it takes a couple seconds for the ad to load, you'll see it's not going to show up, but then our ad loads, pops up, says success, you are now ready to travel through the app galaxy. And so here is our app, here's our ad, and we're ready to start making some money on Android with advertising. Sweet. So in the next couple of videos, what we're going to do is make this ad better. And then we're going to learn how to publish our app. And then we're going to get started on an entirely new project. And I'm going to use the new Android Studio for that, which is still in beta, but pretty cool. So we're going to use that instead of Eclipse. So it's going to be really exciting. Lots more stuff to come, but we have an ad going, and you should be good. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, hit us up on Twitter or Facebook, at any of those places. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.